Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I am going to solve the problems related to number system. So exercise number 1.4. First problem. So the first problem is visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification is the question. Students, once again I will repeat the question. Visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification is the question. Solution. So here we clearly notice that the number 3.765 lies between 3 and 4. So first we locate numbers 3 and 4 on the number line. Okay, see here. First draw the one number line. And here represent the number 3 and 4 on the number line. The center point 0, right hand side positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left hand side negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. Students, here we clearly noticed that 3.765 is lies between 3 and 4. So next, take this portion out and further 3 and 4 divided into 10 equal parts. So take this portion out, 3, 4. So here again 3, 4 is divided into 10 equal parts. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4.0. Students, here 3.765 is lies between 3.7 and 3.8. 3.7 and 3.8. Here again 3.7 and 3.8 is divided into 10 equal parts. So take this part out and again 3.7 to 3.8 divide into 10 equal parts. 3.7, 3.8, 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, 3.80. See here students, 3.765 is lies between 3.76 and 3.77. 3.76 and 77. Again 3.76 and 3.77 is divided into 10 equal parts. So take it out. .76 and 3.77. Again this 3.76 to 3.77 is divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, this 3.768, 3.769. See here student, here 3.765. Yes, hence it is the representation of 3.765 on the number line. The next, exercise number 1.4, second example. So the second example is visualize 4.26 over bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. So once again I will repeat the question. Visualize 4.26 over bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Solution. Students, here 4.26 over bar. So here bar over the 2 digits. Bar over 2 digits. It means that the last 2 digits will repeat again and again, again and again. So that is nothing but 4.26, 26, 26, so on. But in question, visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Up to the decimal point, 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now visualize 4.2626 on the number line. Students, we know that 4.2626 is lies between 4 and pi. So draw the number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here it -1, -2. Students, see here, we clearly noticed that 4.2626 is lies between 4 and 5. And further, 4 and 5 is divided into again 10 equal parts. 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5. 4 here and 5. So 1, 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 5.0. Here 4.2626, again 4.2626 is lies between 4.2 and 4.3. Again 4.2, 4.3 divided into 10 equal parts. So again draw the one more line, number line. So here it is 4.2 and 4.3. So 4.2 to 4.3 divide into 10 equal parts. 4.2 and 4.3 divide into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29. Students, see here 4.2626 again lies between 4.26 and 4.27. 4.26 and 4.27. Again 4.26 and 4.27 divide into 10 equal parts. .26 and here it is 4.27. So divide into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, and here 4.2626 again lies between 4.262 and 4.263, 4.262 and 4.263. Here it is 4.262 and 263. Again 4.262 4.262 and 4.263 divide into 10 equal parts. That is 4.261 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 4.261, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629, and the question is 4.2626. So the 4.2626 is here, it is 4.2626. This is the representation of 4.2626.